It's recording. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
No, it's not taking a picture.
I'm taking a video.
No, open the bag and mommy took a
Okay,
picture.
the boys are going to try today the Lay's flavor of chicken and waffles, and they're going to give you their opinion of what they think. Smelling it? Does it taste like waffles or
No,
chicken?
It's mostly chicken and not waffles.
To me, it tastes like chicken.
It tastes like chicken to you?
Yeah.
It tastes good.
You can't really taste the waffle. But it is good though.
You like it? What about you? Do you like it, Christopher? You do like it?
It's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't like it.
I really like it.
I
It's good.
didn't like it.
It's good. The more you eat it, the more the flavor of the waffle's gonna come out.
Yeah? But which one do you like better between that one and the garlic one?
Both.
You like both of them the same?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? I don't like it either.
Me and Elena